elections, attorney?
Yung impact nito will be felt sa 40% na undecided voters. So yung mga solid base ni Vice President Duterte, wala na tayong magagawa doon.
Yeah, matigas na yun.
Wala
Batong-bato na yun.
Unchangeable na yon, di ba? Pero as we saw, Franz, as we saw dun sa recent Pulse Asia survey, no, na yung 40%, 30 to 40% na undecided voters, sila yung naapektuhan noong impeachment. Paano sila naapektuhan? Well, iba ang hinahanap nilang kandidato. Imbis na pumunta sila kay Vice President Duterte, naghahanap sila. Punta sila kay Tulfo, punta sila kay Lenny, depende kung sino yung kalaban. Now, is that going to happen in 2028? Actually, we do not know. Pero ang indicator is, yung mga na lumalabas sa impeachment, katulad nung nangyari dun sa Committee on Justice Hearings, yung mga lumalabas doon, yung COA, yung SALN, yung Ombudsman, yung AMLAC, they affect the 40% undecided voters.
And malaki yun.
Malaki yun eh. Di ba? Parang make or break yan eh. Kung sino makatap dun sa 40% na yun, that candidate can be, you know, the winner. So that's the way I would look at it, no? Yung impeachment trial. Kaya nga walang incentive yung current leadership to prolong it eh. The sooner they get this done, the better for them, no? Para wala na sa news cycle itong impeachment issue na to.
Yeah.
Because the more details come out, the more
worse.
Exposed Vice President Duterte is. Kasi forced to good siya kasi kailangan niya mag-present ng depensa niya this time, no?
Yeah.
The more vulnerable she becomes, particularly doon sa mata ng 40% na undecided voters. And that's going to have a huge impact doon sa configuration sa 2028.
Definitely, the majority will, although they have their own in pace na